Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change vehicle in the Lyft driver app. So to do that, there are a couple of options like you can switch vehicles or you can add a new one. So if you want, you can add new vehicles and change your current approved vehicle in the vehicle tab in your driver app. So just open the app and then tap menu. Then you'll see vehicles and devices. Tap on it and click the plus icon, and that is where you will need to upload the new vehicle documents, and you need to wait around 24 hours to get approval, and they will let you know once they have approved the new car, and after that you can start using your new vehicles. Also, you can choose to switch between vehicles. So once your new vehicle is approved, you can switch between them. So these are the documents you will need. So you can visit your region's help center page, this link here. And for the type of inspection you need, what form to use and where to go. As you can see, each state has its own set of requirements. For example, if you are in the North Carolina, then you should click this here and check what documents you will need to add to the Lyft app for adding a new vehicle. All right, then the most common things are the insurance documents, registration, your license, and policy expiration date. And these are the common documents you will need. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Just keep these steps in mind. It's very easy. It's right on the app. Just you'll find this vehicles and devices section inside the menu.